Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a mesh stitch. So it's very simple as you can see here. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 20 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now we're going to make double crochets. So we're going to pull like that, yarn over. I'm going to skip one loop, and in the second loop so chain 1, yarn over, skip one chain, and in the second one chain 1 again, skip one, and in the second one chain 1, yarn over, skip one, and in the second one chain 1 again, yarn over, skip one, and in the second one chain 1, then yarn over, skip one, and in the second one chain 1 again, yarn over, skip one, in the second one chain 1 again, yarn over, skip one loop, in the second one chain 1 again, yarn over, skip one, and in the second one then chain 1 again, and in our last loop here come over here, yarn over, then going to chain 1. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. So you're going to chain 1 from here, chain 2, turn over yarn, yarn over, then we're going to come right here on top of this double crochet, make a double crochet. Then into chain one again, yarn over, come here in the second double crochet on top, going to make a double crochet, okay, chain one again, yarn over, to come here on top of this double crochet here, insert a hook, pull through, chain one again, yarn over, and the second one here, chain one, yarn over, then we're going to come here on top of this double crochet, chain one again, yarn over, come here on top of this double crochet, pull through, chain one, yarn over, again here, yarn over on top of this double crochet, yarn over the top of this double crochet, chain one again, yarn over, then we're going to come right here, then going to chain two, turn over, you can see how it's going to look like. So going to make one more round, yarn over, going to come right here, this stitch here, on top of this double crochet, chain one again, yarn over, going to come here in this double crochet on top, chain one again, then going to come again here, top of this double crochet, chain one, yarn over, again on top of this double crochet here, chain one again, yarn over, going to come on top of this double crochet, yarn over, come on top of this double crochet, again on top of this double crochet, yarn over top of this double crochet, chain 1, yarn over on top of this double crochet, chain 1 again, yarn over, come right here, you can see this is how it's supposed to look like. The one I have here is how it is, and this one I have a smaller one. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows, and I've made 1 2 3 rows to show you. So we are going to chain 20, and then we're going to pull the loop, and then we're going to skip one space loop here and going to make double crochet over here, as you can see, this one over here, then chain 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet till here, then going to chain 2 over here, and then make double crochet on top of this double crochet here, chain 1 double crochet, skip one loop here, chain 1 double crochet, then chain 1, skip this loop here, double crochet. So we're going to make double crochets on top of each of these double crochets. So if you are a beginner, this is the best way to start a mesh stitch, so you can get exactly the same pattern, so it doesn't go other wrong way. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Till then, next time, see you in my next video. Bye bye.